write her name among the stars. And waiting for her there, he's paved the way. A long time ago, she had to let him go. Now she's going home, ready to fly. Spread her wings into the sky. Christmas cards and calendars and pictures to remember when. Horses running on the beach, sisters smiling once again. Memories marking time, packed into a shed. Thanks to Walmart super sale, packed them up so tight, she's going home, ready to fly. Spread her wings into the sky. Reaching way back through the years to finally erase the slate, wipe away